Welcome to Helian GK Quiz. Think you're a bird expert? Try guessing these 10 birds from tricky riddles. I bet number 7 stumps you. Watch till the end to see if you're a true avian master. Drop a comment with your score below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun challenges. I wear a bright red crown and love tapping trees for food. If you mimic my sound, I might just mock you back. Can you name this rhythmic tree drummer? The drumming superstar woodpecker. Listen for my rapid-fire beak beats on trees. I'm small, fast, and my wings hum like a tiny helicopter. I can even fly backward. How's that for a trick? Who is this aerial acrobat? The aerial acrobat hummingbird. I'm the only bird that can fly backwards, so watch me zoom. My feathers are black as night, but I'm one of the smartest birds around. I love shiny things and can even solve puzzles. Do you recognize this feather genius? The feather genius crow. I can solve puzzles and remember human faces for years. I'm known for my long neck and legs, and I love to dance in the water. My pink color comes from my favorite food. Who's this elegant pink dancer? The pink dancing queen, flamingo. My color comes from eating shrimp, nature's makeup. I'm a master of disguise, blending into tree bark so well you might walk right past me. My big eyes help me hunt at night. Can you spot this nighttime ninja? The silent night hunter owl. My wings make no sound when I swoop in the dark. I'm a pirate of the skies, stealing fish right from the water with my sharp claws. Look for me near lakes and rivers. Who's this fish thieving bandit? The fish snatching pirate osprey. I dive feet first to grab my slippery meals. I can't fly, but I'm the fastest bird on land. My long legs help me outrun danger in the savannah. What's this speedy sprinter's name? The speed running champion ostrich. I can outrun a racehorse at 45 miles per hour. I'm a tiny bird with a big voice, and my song greets the sunrise every morning. People say I bring good luck. Do you know this cheerful morning DJ? The morning melody maker robin. My cheerful song is nature's alarm clock. My beak is huge and colorful, almost like a clown's nose. I live in the jungle and love munching on fruit. Can you name this tropical fruit lover? The tropical fruit lover toucan. My giant beak is actually light as a feather. I'm all white and love to glide over snowy landscapes. If you hear a loud, trumpeting call, it's probably me. Who's this elegant snow queen? The elegant snow glider swan. My wings can knock a man over if I feel threatened.